Everyone's favorite airplane 757. Which one is this?
November 6707 Alpha.
Yeah, I remember this one. This one was part of that Delta. You remember Delta's song?
Yeah, the mid 2000s, right?
Yeah, like it was a failed airline. It was like from '03 to '06, but they had a really niche market.
I wonder what went so wrong. I thought they targeted the perfect demographic.
You would think so, but you know what? It might have been a nice niche, but it didn't last very long. But this airplane certainly has it. 25 years, I think it said now. Touching down here on runway 26 left in Vegas. What a fantastic airplane. And Delta's planning to use them into the 2030s even now.
Awesome, there's no replacement for the 757.
I see what you did there.
Now onto the 300 variant. This one being a former Northwest bird, and quite a murderous one at that.
It's funny you just said bird because back in 2009, this plane here ran through a flock of about 15 birds in one takeoff and littered the runway with bird carcasses, and they had to close their runway for an extended period of time. So that was October 31st, 2009. It was operating as Northwest Flight 195 to this airport, to that runway there from Minneapolis back then.
Whatever, but I like the 300 more than 200. And that they only made 55 of them. It's kind of sad, you know?
Yeah, well, it was also a niche thing, just like Delta Song was. I don't want to call this a failure, though, like Delta Song was.
Well, I kind of like it because of its size.
No, you didn't just go there.